How to make another Snapchat account on the same device. Hey everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can make the another Snapchat account on the same device. So creating another Snapchat account on the same device is possible. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Snapchat allows the multiple accounts on the same device, but you may need to manage them carefully to avoid issues. First of all, launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device, and once you have launched the Snapchat app, tap on your profile icon, which is on the top left corner, and go and click on your setting icon and go for the logout. Once you have logged out from your recent account, so to create another account on your Snapchat, you have to just go for the sign up option. Once you have sign up here, just go for the allow here, and you have to write your first and last name and go for the continue option and add your birth date here. So once you have added your birth date, you can see your username and just tap on the confirm option, and you have to set your password. So once you have saved your password, just go for the continue option, and you have to create your account by typing your email. Just go and continue. So if this email has been already here, just go and clear that email and just tap another email here. Go and tap on the continue option, and you have to verify your number and go for the finish option. Also, you can skip that process here. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your account, and you have added another account on your Snapchat. So if you want to add a people, just go for the add a people here. So here you can see your profile. So with the help of this simple step, you can make the another Snapchat account on the same device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. If for today, if you like this video, please hit that like